How to withdraw profit and manage your e-wallet. To withdraw passive income from your real estate holdings, go to the My Assets section and click Transfer. Enter an amount starting from $1, then enter your PIN code and confirm the transfer. To withdraw agent income, open your agent panel and click Withdraw Profit. Enter an amount starting from $1, enter your PIN code, and confirm the transfer. To withdraw funds from your e-wallet to your personal crypto wallet, first add your wallet address in Payment Methods under Account Settings. Then open your e-wallet and click Withdraw. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select the currency for the withdrawal. Enter your PIN code and confirm the transaction. To deposit funds into your e-wallet, open the e-wallet and click Deposit. Enter the deposit amount, choose your payment method, and confirm. Send the specified amount using the provided payment details. The deposit will be completed within a few minutes for USDT, USDC stablecoins, and up to 15 minutes for other cryptocurrencies. To transfer funds to another e-estate user, open the e-wallet transfer interface. Enter the recipient's email, the amount, your PIN code, and confirm the transfer. E-estate. Invest smarter today.